Everyone wants to be rich, but not everyone knows how to achieve it. The good news is that anyone can become rich if they have the right mindset and strategy. In this video, we'll explore 7 proven tips for building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Rule number 1. Save and invest wisely. Saving and investing are the foundations of wealth building. Start by setting aside a portion of your income every month, and then invest that money in a diversified portfolio of assets such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Rule number 2. Increase your income streams. Don't rely on just one source of income. Consider starting a side business or taking on freelance work to supplement your primary income. Rule number 3. Minimize debt and expenses. Debt can hold you back from achieving wealth. Make paying off debt a priority and minimize your monthly expenses as much as possible. Rule number 4. Network and build professional relationships. Networking and building relationships can lead to new opportunities and help you grow your wealth. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with successful people in your field. Rule number 5. Continuously educate and upskill yourself. Education and personal development are key to success and wealth building. Stay current with industry trends and continually upskill yourself to increase your value in the job market. Rule number 6. Consider starting a business. Starting a business can be a great way to increase your income and build wealth. Consider your skills, interests, and market opportunities before launching a business. Rule number 7. Surround yourself with successful and motivated people. Surrounding yourself with positive, motivated people can help you stay focused on your goals and achieve success. Seek out mentors and surround yourself with successful friends and colleagues. Becoming rich takes time, effort, and discipline. But it is achievable for anyone by following the tips outlined in this post. You can start building wealth and achieve financial freedom. Remember to focus on saving, investing, increasing your income streams, minimizing debt and expenses, networking, upskilling yourself, starting a business, and surrounding yourself with motivated people. Good luck!